this is Toppin, and boy did I just find another number. Holy shit. I was prank calling some people, just dialing random numbers in my area code, which is 919, which is in North Carolina. And look at this shit. Remember that video I made back? It was one of the prank calls. I'm gonna call it right now. Not call that number. I'm gonna call one that makes the same exact noise. I just called random numbers, and this is what it came up. I'm serious. I'm serious. Check out the number. That's my area code. There's nothing, no bullshit. What the fuck? What the legit fuck? Just saying, guys. Now, if this camera can focus, there it is. That's the number. 919-741-5834. What the fuck? It's weird. Calling some weird numbers can give you this weird shit. And it just hung up. What the legit fuck? What the legit fuck was that? I don't know. I called a number like that though. Let me block him just in case. Oh, block him. I'm gonna react to one of those videos where I did the same thing. FNAF bullshit. FNAF, you know, bullshit. I was saying, FNAF ain't real. What the fuck? Oh shit! I watched one of my videos. I thought I had no clothes on. I was like, bitch. Oh, just some leaves fell. I heard something crunching. Springtrap and Santa. No, not that one. This one, FNAF real number. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
The original number video is called FNAF. Needs to focus. Actually,
Hear it? This number was 1-800-258-3475. Bullshit. I just called another number that gave you the same exact tone in my area code. What the fuck, man? I'm serious. What kind of luck is that, man? Professional. Okay, I'm just looking up weird shit. What the fuck? Oh, I keep getting distracted. Well, I don't get it, but that number was 1-800-258-3479, the other number. But the one I called was 919-741-5834. What the fuck, man? What is that shit? Anyway, see you guys.